To create a client tracker in Obsidian, you'll be setting up a centralized system for managing your client information, projects, and resources, all within a single, easily navigable vault. This is a fantastic way to streamline your workflow and eliminate the confusion of scattered data. If you're looking for a better way to organize your client work, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Okay, let's build this client tracker. The first thing we're going to do is establish the core folder structure. We'll create 3 main folders: clients, projects, and resources. These folders will serve as the foundation for your entire system. Now open Obsidian and navigate to your preferred vault. Go to the File Explorer sidebar and click the plus button to create a new folder. Create 3 new folders: clients, projects, and resources. And then within each of these folders, we'll create the individual notes that will form the heart of your client tracker. Think of it as building a filing system, but one that's incredibly powerful thanks to Obsidian's linking capabilities. Let's start with the Clients folder. Inside this folder, create a new note called Client Dashboard. This note will act as your central hub for everything client related. Add the following structure: Client Dashboard, and then Active Clients, New Inquiries, Ongoing Projects, Upcoming Follow-ups, and Quick Links. This dashboard will give you a rapid overview of your clients, current progress, and what needs attention. A key tip here is to regularly review this dashboard. It's the single clearest picture of your client landscape. Next, let's create individual client notes. Inside the Clients folder, create a separate note for each client. For example, if you're working with Acme Corp, create a note called Acme Corp. Within that note, add fields for contact information, project details, meeting summaries, communication history, follow-up items, and important documents. The key to this system is having this highly specific information contained in one place. Now, let's move on to the Projects folder. This folder will manage all your project information. Create a note called Project Tracker. Inside, add active projects, upcoming deadlines, progress updates, and next actions. This note helps to monitor the timelines and ensure nothing falls through the cracks. Regularly updating this tracker is absolutely critical to staying on schedule. Now create the Resources folder. This folder holds templates, reference documents, and helpful resources. Create a note called Resource Library and include sections for templates, reference notes, useful links, and documents. Keeping everything organized here is like having a digital toolbox at your fingertips. Okay, now that we've established the core structure, let's add some connecting power. Within Obsidian, you can use internal links to connect these notes. Link the client dashboard with the project tracker and the resource library. Also link client notes with the relevant project notes and projects with their supporting resources. This creates a powerful network of information that's instantly accessible. Let's dive deeper into organization. To truly maximize the power of this tracker, let's add properties to each note. These properties are essentially tags that you can use to categorize and filter your data. For example, within the Client Dashboard note, you could add properties like status, active, on hold, completed, priority, high, medium, low, due date, last updated, and project type. Using these properties will make it incredibly easy to sort and filter your notes. To further categorize your workload, we will add tags. In the Client Dashboard, for instance, tags like Client, Project, Meeting, Follow-up, Proposal, and Complete will help you quickly locate related information throughout your vault. Don't over-tag, start with the most useful categories and expand as you need. Now let's streamline your daily workflow. A simple daily client management routine could look like this. First, review your client dashboard to see your active clients and their priorities. Next, update your project tracker with new tasks, deadlines, and progress updates. Then, record client meetings, communications, and project updates in the appropriate notes, always linking related information. Finally, review your dashboard before ending your workday, update the completed work, and schedule any necessary follow-ups. And finally, to ensure this system truly works for you, let's cover a few essential tips. Always create one note for each client. Review your client dashboard every day to stay on top of priorities. Update your project tracker regularly. Record meeting notes immediately after each meeting. And, most importantly, connect related notes using Obsidian's internal linking feature. As you build this system over time, experiment with adding properties and tags to refine your organization. This client tracker in Obsidian provides a centralized workspace where all your client information, projects, and resources are connected. Instead of switching between multiple applications, you can organize everything within one vault and quickly navigate between related notes using internal links. As your client list grows, your tracker remains organized and easy to manage. To recap, you've created a core client tracker system using folders and notes, implemented a daily management workflow, and utilized Obsidian's powerful linking and property features. To continue exploring Obsidian and maximizing your productivity, save this video and revisit these steps whenever you need to manage your clients more effectively. Thanks for watching.